We have to find the young employees, the young students who really want to find manufacturing exciting and interesting. If we don't get those skilled positions filled when they need to be filled going forward, it will be a threat to our existence.
I'm really excited about going through the Whiteside and Sauk programs because it teaches you a lot of good skills that you need to know in the workforce, and then also skills that you need to carry on into college. Learn how to weld, machine, and now CNC, and also gave me an internship that I get to earn money while I go to school, so that's nice. After getting a degree, there's a lot of high-tech jobs out there that are willing to pay you good money for the knowledge that you have.